If you're headed to a convention or an event at the Anaheim Convention Center, Hilton Anaheim is the absolute best hotel choice in my opinion. The location is unbeatable. You are literally connected to the back entrance of the convention center. It doesn't get easier than that. If you're expecting a morning line for your event, you can skip the hassle of driving and parking. Plus, you won't have to wake up an hour early. Hilton Anaheim is a full-service hotel, which means things work a little bit differently compared to a family-style hotel. You won't find luggage cart just sitting around for you to grab. You will likely need to call the bell desk for help. While there's no free express breakfast, you do get dining credits if you are a gold or diamond members. The hotel just finished a massive renovation. I have a family of 3 and this is a room with 2 queen beds. I know some of you want to know, can I actually see the Disney fireworks? The answer is yes. The view is very open, especially from a higher floors. Just keep in mind you're still watching them from a bit of distance. I was actually in the park during the show time, so I didn't catch a video. I was staying for 2 nights in February during school holiday season. I was using 2 of my free certificates, but I'll show you the actual cost. One big tip for families on parking. You can do valet, but during peak season, I've seen it takes over 30 minutes just to get your car back. If you don't have a lot of luggage, I highly recommend self-parking in the attached garage. In fact, I always bring my own little folding wagon along. It makes getting the kids and the bags from the car to the room so much faster. That's why I usually prefer family-style hotels. Everything from breakfast to supplies is just quicker to access. They're going to charge parking into your room. You don't need to pay for that parking ticket. Just give it to the front desk. I think they contract out the ordering service, so if you're using the online system to order, it's actually like $2. For what I ordered, I noticed it's about like $2 more, and the menu is also different. I was trying to order some pizza. Some of the menu item is not on the online menu, so I came down here to order, and it was fine. Everything, like they have most of the things I need. They're going to add 20% tips on top, whether you're dining in or taking it to go. It is a full-service hotel, so I won't complain, but I would rather spend my dining credits at the market for snacks, ice cream, or pastry rather than using it at the restaurant. You're basically giving it away for tips. If you're ordering Uber Eats, they have a shelf here to put your food, and this used to be right by the bell desk, and I think they changed it now. And if you want to look for it, I think it's easier if you look for Pure Escape, or it is right by the Mickey Mouse statues. If I can zoom it out, yeah, so it's right there. If you're planning a Disney trip, I have to be honest with you, this is only my 3rd hotel choice. My first choice is Hilton Home2 Suite, and my second choice is Hyatt House Anaheim. I have different videos to review those. If you are not familiar with ART, it is a shuttle bus system that connects non-Disney hotels to the parks. They pick up and drop off at the Disney Transportation Center. Unfortunately, the ART service is officially scheduled to wind down and end operations after March 2026. Without the easy shuttle system, the Hilton Anaheim drops to the 3rd on my list. But it is still in walking distance to Disney. Whether you're coming for business or for Disney, I hope you find this video helpful. I'll see you next time.